all a little weird, and life is a little weird. And when we find someone whose weirdness is compatible with ours, we join up with them and fall into a mutually satisfying weirdness, and we call it love.
And I will always stand wherever you need me, because the love I have for you is not one-dimensional. I will stand in front of you and protect you if you are unable to. I will stand behind you when the world needs to see your light. And I will stand beside you and face all the challenges life hands us. Hey, princess. You look gorgeous.
Only once in your life will you find someone who can completely turn your world around. You tell them things you've never shared with another soul, and they absorb everything you say, and actually want to hear more.
Clare, I'm going to give you this ring with the same love that you have demonstrated countless times by giving me your last bite of bacon. And you love bacon.
In our 8 years together, you have made me laugh a lot. Often with you, but just as much at you. You have shown me kindness and patience despite how often I test it. You have taught me to speak up for myself, but you have also been my greatest advocate when words have failed me. I promise to be generous with my time, my affection, back scratches, and bacon.
Clare and Michael, do you pledge to each other to be loving friends and partners in marriage? Do you promise to bring out the best in one another, share your happiest moments together, and love each other absolutely?
We do!
All right. Yeah.
Whatever challenges come our way, we will face them together. And through it all, I promise to choose you every day. In your arms, I have found my home. In your heart, I have found my wings. My hands will provide your shelter, and my love will be your anchor. I love you 3000.
Right from the beginning, I knew that I loved you. Girl, we've got something amazing. It's just me and you, still so much to do.
I couldn't have a better companion for an adventure in space and time. You are the girl who waited. My girl who waited. Clare, I love you 3000.
These are the days.
Now, as the adoring mother of Michael and the future second mother of Clare, and by the authority vested in me by the province of British Columbia, I want to tell you it's my absolute honor and privilege to finally pronounce you husband and wife. Michael, kiss your bride.
And everything's still possible. Our dreams are alive. We've got that fire inside. These are the days.
Beloved family and friends, I am absolutely beside myself with pleasure to be able to present to you Mr. and Mrs. Michael and Clare Cohen. Get it? Woo!